The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is officially launching on March 2nd, bringing significant upgrades in design, performance, and camera technology. It has taken inspiration from the Leica M11 DSLR, giving the device a premium look with a silver chrome finish and leather texture. The smartphone will be available in multiple color options, including a special edition with 1 TB of storage, a charcoal black variant, and a leather finish model. Ex-user Yawn recently leaked high-resolution renders of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, which a Russian retailer originally published. The leak showcases the device in Leica chrome and white color options, confirming a refined rear camera design. Additionally, the retailer revealed that the 16GB RAM and 1 TB storage variant will be available globally, and the instruction manual in Russian, along with certification details, was even published. These images provide a detailed look at the upcoming flagship, aligning with previous reports that hinted at subtle design changes and multiple color options, including black, white, and a dual-tone black and white variant. The phone features a 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 3200 by 1440 resolution and a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Xiaomi has integrated Dragon Crystal Glass 2.0 for enhanced durability, which is expected to be more resistant to damage. The company might also introduce an anti-reflective coating to improve visibility, competing directly with Samsung's display technology. Powering the device is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Chipset, Qualcomm's most advanced processor, delivering top-tier performance for gaming and multitasking. The phone is equipped with a 5400 mAh battery, slightly smaller than the 6000 mAh unit in the Xiaomi 15 Pro, but still competitive. It supports 90-watt wired charging, 80-watt wireless charging, and 10-watt reverse wireless charging, making it one of the fastest-charging flagship smartphones on the market. According to Yogesh Breyer, it boasts a quad-camera setup, including a 50-megapixel Sony LIT 900 main sensor with a large 1-inch size for superior image quality. Additionally, there is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, Samsung GN5, a 50-megapixel telephoto sensor, Sony IMX858, with 3 times optical zoom, and a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, Samsung HP9, with 4.3 times optical zoom. These cameras are enhanced by Leica's color science and Xiaomi's custom image processing unit, ensuring professional-grade photography. The front camera is a 32-megapixel shooter for high-quality selfies. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra runs on Android 15 with Xiaomi's HyperOS 2, offering a refined and ultra-responsive user experience. Xiaomi is also testing a Windows emulator, which could allow users to run Windows applications on the device. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra will be available in multiple storage configurations, including 512GB and 1 TB variants, with 16GB of RAM. However, the 1 TB model will be limited to select regions. The official pricing is yet to be confirmed, but it is expected to be a premium flagship device. The global variant may have slight differences from the Chinese version, and in some regions, the charger may or may not be included in the box.